Cooperative Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is for both players to work together to achieve a checkmate on either color while occupying all of the mandatory squares. The game is played in rounds. Each round, both players will pre-move 2 moves. Once both players are ready, hit submit, and the game will execute the pre-moves by both players in turn order. You need to occupy every target square as indicated by a black box and exclamation point. If all the target squares are not occupied at the end of a round, you lose. The square with a question mark is a bonus square. If you occupy that square in addition to the target squares at the end of the round, then, in the next round, one player will have one additional move they can perform. This bonus move will alternate between players. If you check a king before all the pre-moves have taken place, then the moves will be halted, and the player in check will need to address the check before the rest of the pre-moves can continue. If a piece is unable to make a pre-move, then the moves will pause so the player can make a new move. If you checkmate an opponent's king before all the moves are complete, then the round will end immediately. If you aren't occupying all the target squares, then you lose. En passant is not allowed. Castling is allowed like normal. You can play custom games where you can change the number of target squares and the number of turns each player gets per round. There are also puzzles you can play.